It is indeed an honor for me to be present here today to deliver the opening remarks for this very important event. Today marks an important milestone for the Ministry of Forestry as we acknowledge some of our forestry-based small, micro and medium enterprises, and more so, witness the achievements of some of our hardworking groups that have gone through the Forest Subsidy Program. The Forest Subsidy Program was initiated in 2015 and was primarily established to assist the forest resource owners in sustainably managing the process of their timber resources for economic gain. Its key objective is to promote the establishment of wood and non-wood based businesses with a special focus on the rural communities. Since its establishment, the Forest Subsidy Program has positively progressed and now provides financial assistance to the forest-based micro, small, and medium enterprises through the purchase of value-adding machines to help in the growth and development of their business. At the same time, we are also connecting our MSMEs to the markets where they can easily sell their products. And in this regard, I wish to acknowledge and thank the commitment and support from Quartz Fiji of the Vision Group of companies for their willingness to support some of our MSMEs in the marketing of their products. This program was allocated a budget of 50,000 Fiji dollars during its initiation. In the 2023-2024 financial year, the budget had significantly increased to 200,000 Fiji dollars. The increase in budget allocation is a positive sign of our government's commitment to support our forest-based MSMEs and empower our resource owners. Let us not waste this opportunity, but make good use of this assistance that our government is offering. To all those of you who have successfully applied and will be receiving the forest subsidy assistance today, and those who will be receiving their sawmill license, I congratulate you. Your hard work and dedication to be part of the forestry industry in Fiji has not been in vain and is being recognized by the government. The Ministry of Forestry acknowledges and commends you, and it is my prayer that you will put into good use what you have received today and to help your business grow for your benefit, your family, your Vanua, and your nation as a whole. At this juncture, we are also here today to celebrate the outcome of the second phase of the ITTO project, a deeply significant undertaking born from the strong partnership between the International Tropical Timber Organization and the Ministry of Forestry. This initiative embodies our shared commitment to sustainable development and the well-being of our people and natural resources. At the very heart of this phase is a strategic focus, the establishment of cooperative businesses. These cooperatives are not simply an economic model. They are a powerful vehicle designed to foster robust alternative livelihoods for 6 of our ITTO communities. We are particularly focused on those residing in the mangrove vulnerable areas within the Tailevu and Rewa deltas. Communities that through no fault of their own bear the brunt of climate change's intensifying impacts. Our aim is to equip them with tools and opportunities to thrive even amidst these environmental shifts. Today is particularly special as we gather for the official handover of the cooperative materials and specifically the 60,000 potting bags. This act is a direct and tangible expression of our support towards enhancing livelihoods and the indispensable work of mangrove restoration destined to nurture countless mangrove seedlings by the close of the current financial year. This effort is crucial as it directly supports the restoration of degraded forest program and contributes to the ambitious target of producing 60,000 pots of mangrove seedlings for the financial year of 2025-2026. This dual approach underscores our commitment to both human prosperity and ecological health. To our recipients today, your decision tomorrow counts a lot to the success of this program. Hundreds more people and MSMEs are lining up, hoping to receive this assistance as well one day. However, part of this will depend on your support and how well you make use of this opportunity. It is my hope that you will remember to do your best to the best of your ability and make good use of the assistance you have received today. I wish you all the best in your journey and pray that you will be important contributors and players in the forestry sector of our nation. To our recipients, invited guests, and everyone present here today, we thank you again, and we look forward to your continuous support. May God's blessings be upon us today. And thank you very much.